All right, we're almost finished with the temporary bottom of the flat roof. We're gonna put this post in, and then we can try to pull the edge of the roof in. I'll show you over there in a second what I'm talking about. But we need to hold it up where it is, and then we'll be able to hopefully pull the bottom of the roof over.
So we have a
So I'm gonna put this post in.
little over 15 feet, 182 3/8.
Ish. Well,
no.
add an inch and a half now.
Now I have to add an inch and a half. And we're setting it on the beam we have going across already.
We get something better.
Yep. And it's sitting right on all those 2x6s Frank put in there. They've kind of darkened quickly, but
Which ones?
those ones, those 2x6s.
Those are the heart pine ones. Those
Oh, are those?
supposed to be dark.
Oh, okay. All right.
Those
I was thinking
over
that was
100
new
years
wood.
old.
Yeah. All
They
right.
better be dark.
Good. I thought those were
No.
some of the yellow pine. All right. So it's going to sit on there and just help support it.
Well, the way I look at it, it can't move that way.
Okay.
I'll put a screw down.
Okay.
That way it can't move
All right.
until I pound it.
Yeah.
Put 2 screws in it. That way it can't go.
Okay.
It's impossible for it to.
Not necessarily impossible.
Unlikelier.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home. This is the Mooreland House, and we're amateurs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, baby.
Awesome.
Now I'm gonna put screws in.
You got your screws, you put them in your pocket. Yeah. Caution, watch for falling crowbars.
And screws.
Yeah.
Alright, I can go that way some.
My eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the
Go just a hair more. I forgot there's a ladder on it.
Okay.
That looks good. That is
looks-
plum.
Plum,
Plum.
not level. Plum.
It's Plum Street. So like I was saying, this is the roof that has to come this way. Because if you look back over here, as these posts rotted out that we took out a long time ago, we put in all these posts to jack up that little flat roof up there, which has given us all kind of problems.
All kind of problems.
When those rotted out, it sagged this roof,
Along.
and this roof, the rafters pushed out this wall. So the wall was no longer, the wall went like this. So in order to rebuild this corner, we need to bring this part of the roof back about an inch. So in order to do that, we had to jack up all the flat roof to where it should have been the whole time.
And we took the pressure off.
Now pressure's off of it.
Pressure's off of it.
This
See,
is loose now.
yeah, that jack that we had. So how do we know how we're going to try to pull it? And this was the area that we did a little bit of mortar work just to see, and because it's so cold, it's taken quite a bit of time to cure.
And it's hot lime mortar too.
Yeah, hot lime mortar. We still
It's
have
getting there.
yeah, we still have a lot of work to do in there, but we had to do all that and pull this back in. You can kind of see how far that is. So, you know, you can't do this until you do that, but you got to do that before you do this. You know, that
Well,
kind of stuff.
I'll show in. So this here, this is level.
Plumb. It's plumb.
So if I take this to plumb, it's about 2 1/4 inches.
Okay.
So if this is plumb, this needs to come over to 2 1/4 inches. That's pretty close.
It's getting there.
Now, that's if this is in the right spot, which probably.
I think it is, though. Because these rafter tails, isn't that what those are called?
The rafters.
Yeah, anyway, they are still sitting solid on that. This mortar hasn't pulled away.
So that's 1.5 inches. I'll bet that's what it's supposed to be.
That corner.
So I bet it needs to be 1.5 inches away. And right now it's, so it needs to go it only needs, the top only needs to go over 3/4 of an inch.
We can get 3/4 of an inch out of
I think
it.
so.
I'll give you an idea of what we're talking about. Okay, we got the bottle jacks out of there. It was very exciting to take, just from a different point of view, all those jacks. So, are you just taking down some more of the brick?
Yeah, now I can take all this out and redo it. Okay. Now.
Okay, we're
Gonna try to winch the roof over, but we don't want to put the winch on this post because we don't want to pull the post down.
no.
But if we attach this post to that post at the base, then we got plenty of pulling power. Then I won't feel bad about putting some pressure on that thing to see if I can pull that wall in.
Let's hope it pulls in.
Just put it back like it was. What anybody else would have done. Right?
True. This is a proof of concept?
This is a, who knows? I don't want to bend the bar.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's moved yet.
It creaked.
Creaks a lot.
Yeah.
Just need to find a tape measure. Yeah, moved an eighth of an inch so far.
An eighth of an inch. An eighth of an inch is good. The right way, right?
Correct.
Well, just because it moved didn't mean it moved in the right direction.
So it looks like it moved.
Hey, Frank has that one pretty tight. Now we're gonna attach one to the top of that rod and see what we can do with that.
Hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah.
Something creak?
Mm-hmm.
Anything move?
I don't know, but it's creaking.
Yeah, moved a quarter of an inch.
Quarter of an inch. How much more do we gotta go?
An inch and a quarter.
Another inch and a quarter?
It was an inch and a half.
Oh. Well,
But anything we can get out of it.
it's better than nothing.
Correct.
Okay.
Anything we get out of it, I think is better than nothing.
Ooh, that one. I saw a lot of movement on that one. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I saw it.
Yeah, we moved quite a bit. A little over half an inch.
So Frank, why did you put a jack back in there?
I put it at an angle to try to push it that way.
Oh, okay. I understand. All right. I hope that
didn't do anything,
it didn't do anything. It was a nice try. All right. We got sun movement. Whoa! Oh, that's you moving it. It's like, what was that?
All right, we've closed it halfway.
All right, that's good. Okay, he's putting another jack in again at an angle to see if that will help ease that fill plate back in.
But there's not a lot of the sill plate left.
Her bones are creaking today, baby. Well, no, I mean, I can see him moving. Oh. The top, yeah. It's, I mean, it sounds like the boards were apart. Like that.
Did that scare you?
Yes, it did.
Why'd you jump?
Because it scared the living daylights out of me. The sill plate broke.
Well, there wasn't much left.
Yeah. This part, that was freaky.
It's only about half an inch away now.
Yeah. Do we have to replace that now?
No.
Yes.
It's getting closer. No, I jacked it up too much here. And the bolt wasn't letting it go up any farther. So I broke it, but it's no big deal.
Okay. But we can do something about that, right? I mean, how do we fix that?
Once we set it back down, it's gonna go away.
Okay.
Right now, it's just really high up.
Yeah.
But that's good because then I can put shove the mortar in there that needs to go in.
Okay.
All right. So tomorrow,
Brickwork, huh?
brickwork.
All right, yay. What's the matter? Am I giving your sister attention?